Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Clean 4-bedroom 1-story on cul-de-sac street with tile floors throughout. This home features primary bedroom with tub and shower, refrigerator with washer and dryer included, and low maintenance backyard. Also included is solar panel to assess resident with electric bills. This can't last long.